guys, welcome back to the Cocco channel and to another makeup video. Today is a special video because I'm collabing, as you can tell from the title, with two of my friends, Miss Shaunna over from The Love of Makeup, who I love and adore. You guys hear me talk about her all the time. And then Missy from The Welder's Wife, who has made a comeback to YouTube. She and I used to collab all the time way back in the day when I very first started YouTube. So it feels great to do another collab with two girlfriends. So we decided that we were gonna do fall date night. Somebody is doing an outfit, somebody is doing hair, and I am doing makeup. This is the look that I did create. It is using the Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic palette. I feel like it's very dark and magical at the same time. I thoroughly enjoyed creating this look, so if you would like to see how I did this, keep on watching. Please don't forget to go over to Missy and Shaunna's channel. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Hey guys, so I already did my base, which is just foundation, concealer, and powder, and my brows because it's the most boring thing ever to me anyways. I will link the products down below that I did use if you are curious. And so I thought we would do the face powders and obviously eye makeup together. When we first sat down and decided that we were gonna do fall date night, the first thing that popped into my head was messy bun, no makeup, and sweatpants, because that is a typical date night for Andrew and I. My husband is very much a homebody, and so I've uploaded so many fall looks lately that I was really struggling, and the girls even offered to like switch it to something else, but I was like, no, I need to challenge myself and do something different that's not like an orange smoky eye. So I'm gonna do a different smoky eye. Because it is a nighttime look, I definitely want to like actually contour. Usually I just bronze and like warm up my face to give a little bit of definition. And so my favorite sculpting powder is definitely from the Tarteist palette, and this is the actual sculpt color. I'm gonna go in with this Morphe E34, which is just like a flat brush. And I'm just going to use that to shape up my face. Let me know down below like what your ideal date night is. Andrew, my husband, for those of you who are new, and I actually had a date night last night, and we watched 2 episodes of The Walking Dead and had a McFlurry. That's like our idea of a date night. And while we were watching that, I painted my nails. It's all about getting, you know, multitasking for moms. When else am I gonna have a chance to paint my nails? My kids were sleeping and it was just a like chill time. We're watching, I think it's season 8 on Netflix. I don't even know what season is on. I mean, I'm assuming it would be 9 since I'm watching 8 on Netflix. Like I don't know what anything is about on that, so I don't know if Negan's still alive. I'm hoping not. I watched, for those of you who maybe don't know, season 8 has the king in it, and he had a tiger named Shiva, and the tiger died last night, and I cried. I was like, that's the most tragic death on The Walking Dead yet. I mean, it's not. There's quite a few other deaths, but anyways, yeah, I want to know what everybody else's ideal date night is. Okay, we're gonna use my favorite blush of all time, and that is Dandelion from Benefit. I only have it in this big huge Cheekathon palette. I just feel like it's very romantic, soft pink. It's gorgeous. So I'm gonna put that on the apples of my cheeks. Although I do want a date night coming up out, or maybe even a date day. Andrew and I don't go out at night. I really want him to take me to go see the new Halloween, which comes out this week. Is anyone else a horror fan, a horror film fan? Oh man, I am a horror film fan. Okay, so because it's a nighttime look, I want the blingiest, seen from space highlighter. And I definitely feel like that is this Estee Lauder with Victoria Beckham highlighter in Modern Mercury. I'm not sure if you can still get this, but I love this highlighter. This highlighter is gorgeous. comes my son. Oh, yes. Oh, that is so pretty. So I sat down and really thought about this and how to challenge myself to do something different that I don't do all the time. And it reminded me of a look, not reminded me, but it inspired me to do a look using an old school technique with this NYX Black Bean eye crayon. Do you guys remember back in the day where Black Bean and milk were like a staple in your collection? You had to have it. You used it as a base for everything. I haven't done this in so long, but I feel like I really want to lay down something to make this specific color that I want to use pop. So I am just going to put this on my lid, and I'm just going to put it on like the lower half of my mobile lid because I'm going to blend it up with a brush. I know it looks crazy right now. So I'm taking a Morphe R34, which is a flat paddle brush, and I'm just going to put this exactly where I want the color. So I'm gonna blend it up, like I said, to go all over my mobile lid. I'm going to try and attempt in doing like an actual dome shape, because 9 times out of 10 I do a cat eye shape because it just complements my eyes. I have very hooded eyes. I have a very distinct lazy eye, and so I like to bring my eyes up instead of like droop them. So we're gonna attempt to do like a classic dome. Okay, so now that the color is laid down, what I want to do is put the color down that I want to use. And so I'm going to take another, it's the same exact brush, a Morphe R43, and I'm actually going to use the Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic palette. I thought that this was perfect for, number one, being 2 weeks away from Halloween, and number two, it's very fall colors. It's very cool toned, which is definitely my style. So this is the color that I was inspired to use, which is Chicory, which is a like really gorgeous forest green like shimmer. It looks like almost like a beetle. I don't know if you guys can see like the reflect in it. It's so pretty. Another thing that's like really cool about using this base is that I feel like the shadows stick to it instead of having like a ton of fallout like you normally would, especially with like a dark color and it being a shimmer. It's a little bit sticky, so I feel like it sticks. Okay, so I'm gonna use also another technique that I did a couple weeks ago, where I use smaller blending brushes instead of using like big huge fluffy brushes when you're doing like a typical look and you start off with your transition and then a deeper shade and then a deeper shade. Starting light to dark, I'm gonna go from dark to light. So the first color that I want to blend this out with is this Potion color, which is like an army green, and I'm just going to put that on the edge. I'm not gonna go all the way into my inner corner. I'm gonna stop like right there and just blend. This is a Morphe M506, by the way. It's just a little fluffy blending brush. And then taking another one, I'm gonna go into the color Shush. And I'm gonna bring this one into my inner corner. So I'm gonna take that same Shush color and put that on my lower lash line. Okay, and then taking the last little brush, I'm gonna go into the color Buff, or Poof, excuse me. And just kind of lighten that up. I'm gonna take Stila Kitten and put that on my inner corner using a little Morphe M212. I haven't used Stila Kitten in so long. It's so pretty. So pretty. Okay, I'm gonna set my face before I do mascara. And to do that, I'm going to use my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. Okay, and then I am going to put something on my lower lash line. This is a Marc Jacobs Highliner. This is my favorite one of all time. This is called Fine Wine. And there's just something about this red that really makes my blue eyes pop. And I feel like it's really gonna offset that green that's on my lid in a like really nice way. Do you see how pretty that is? Oh my gosh. I literally have one of these in my purse because I love it so much. I feel like it just adds a lot to the makeup look, any makeup look that you're gonna do, and like I said, it really makes my blue eyes pop. So I'm gonna pop on some mascara. I'm going to use my Estee Lauder Sumptuous Infinite Daring Length and Volume Mascara. This is my holy grail mascara. I suggest picking these up when there is a coupon because it's a little bit pricey. So now lashes are on. When I say lashes are on, I just mean mascara. I don't wear false lashes. Ever. So because it's date night, I'm going to do a liquid lip because my husband is not a fan of gloss. I don't think there's any husbands that are fans of like glossy, wet looking lips. My husband won't even, you know. And so I know you guys are probably sick of seeing me use these, but if you are new, these are my obsession lately. These are the Too Faced lip, what are they called? Melted Matte Liquefied Longwear Lipstick. There were 4 of these in a little pack. You have like a red, you have a nude, this is Hot Buttered Rum, which is like a brownie nude, and then Pumpkin Spice is my purse because it's my favorite one, but I think that this definitely calls for a nude because it's so dark and dramatic up top. I want to do a nude on bottom just to balance everything out. Does complete the look. I absolutely love this. This is exactly what I had in mind with like, I don't know if you guys can see how really green and pretty this look is. I really hope that this green is translating well because again, what I see on my little viewfinder is completely different than what you guys see or even I see when I'm editing. So I really hope that this is translating as the beautiful green that it is. I absolutely love this look. It looks so good. I mean, it's 8 o'clock in the morning and I'm gonna go out like this in the day with 2 kids and I'm okay with that. Like I don't feel like it's too sultry or you know what I mean, anything like that. Again, everything that I did use I will link down below for you guys. Make sure you do go check out Shaunna over at The Love of Makeup and Missy over at The Welder's Wife, and subscribe to both. If you are from either of their channels, hello and welcome. My name is Brittany Cocco. You are watching the Cocco channel. I do vlogs and makeup videos and cleaning videos and story times, so I do hope you stay and subscribe. That would mean a lot to me, and I thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye! Please don't forget to go over, please don't forget to oh yes, oh yes, okay. Blending brush. And then I haven't used Stila Kitten in so long. It's so pretty. I haven't used Stila. Aiden. I'm gonna throw a little bit under my brow bone.
Let's go, Mom.
Hello and welcome. I have a son who hates me.